All right, I'm going to address an issue for a 2010 Honda Pilot. The loud clicking in the center console. I went ahead and took everything apart as other videos, taking off the center console ports and all that other stuff. Everything all the way down to the blower motor and the actuator. All right. What I found out that this thing is clicking when you start the car, and what happens is that this little metal wire here comes off of that clip, and as the motor is spinning, it jams it and gives you that loud clicking noise. Honda was going to charge me $700 to change the two motors, the rear motor here and then the front motor. Well, all it was this little clip right there that I went ahead and got a spare one from Honda. Got lucky. I'm trying to illuminate it a little bit better, but it worked. I was able to put it in a hole and use the tie wrap, put it around there to hold it in. It's going to hold for now because Honda does not sell those clips. The best thing to do is try to go to Oreillys or Autozone and get the door lock replacement clips. They have multiple selections and might be able to fix it. This little run around, take apart, saved me over $700 of them fixing it. Now, I don't understand what they would do when they opened it up and found out that this little piece of wire here going to the motor would be hanging, because mine was hanging down here, and with the basic rotations of it, as you could tell, there's a lot of places where it could jam up. All right, so hopefully this saves somebody some money in the future. This is actually probably like the only video that I've ever posted to help people out. Good luck.